Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be doing spark plugs on a 2017 Honda CRV. We're going to go ahead and show you the process. The vehicle does have 100,000 miles, so it's about time for them to be replaced. So just follow along. Okay, so what we're first going to do is remove these air hoses that go to your intake, right? So it's these two with just little clamps and these 10mm bolts that you see here, and then we should be able to lift up this entire box out of the way and get access to the coils and then the spark plugs. So like I said, the clamps, you just squeeze them, move them out of the way. This might take a little bit of prying with like a pick or a screwdriver, being gentle not to break the rubber. And then, like I mentioned, these 10mm bolts, you just pop them out, and then this should come out, and you have access to all four of your spark plugs or coils. And then you just remove. So next thing, we're just going to remove the 10mm bolts that hold the spark plugs or the coils in place, and then we'll get access to the spark plugs. So now with these 10mm out, you can just set them aside. And then you just press this clip. You heard that little tick, and then they slide out. And then they slide out. And then you can remove your coil pack. Inspect, make sure there's no like oils or anything like contaminants that could get in there, and then ultimately gonna reach in there and get your spark plug. So for the spark plugs, are you gonna need a 9/16 socket, specialty socket for spark plugs? It doesn't take your traditional 5/8 that most of them do. Like I said, it's a 9/16, and then you're gonna need an extension. A 6-inch extension would be the best. Okay, with the spark plug out, the tip itself is still has plenty of gap, right? I mean, can't get this to focus. Okay, there you go. It has plenty of gap, still live, but what you also want to look at is, you see the orange like burnt around the bottom of this plug right here, the ceramic pieces. That's what we call blow by. So that means that some of the exhaust combustion gases are coming through or starting to come through the spark plug itself, which is, not good, because it can lead to low performance, less fuel economy, and at about 100,000 miles, it's recommended that you do your spark plugs anyway. So it's just a good maintenance factor, and get ahead of anything that could be possibly wrong in the future. But yeah, I hope this video helped you guys. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.